At HTS Coatings, we exist to glorify God in all we do. Our mission and core values are the guideposts that help us fulfill that commitment. Glorifying God to us means enhancing lives. As a thermal spray company, our coatings enhance the lives of machine components by making them wear and corrosion resistant, among other benefits. But we want to be more than that. We want to enhance the lives of our employees, their families, our customers and vendors, and anyone else we come in contact with. For the past 8 years, HTS Coatings has had the privilege of servicing over 400 customers worldwide. And because of that, we've grown our capabilities to providing them with machining, thermal spray, and grinding. But the number one thing we hear from our customers is the excellent customer care that's provided to them. Whether it's our expert engineers providing a technical knowledge on a thermal spray or coating problem that they might have, or just that constant communication of when their part is going to be delivered, our customers value the care that HTS Coatings provides. We know that behind every project that we do, there are people. People who have parts that need them to be working properly and on time. That's what enhancing lives means to us. There are other companies that do exactly what HTS Coatings does, but what sets us apart is the why we do it. HTS Coatings is more than a wear and corrosion resistance coatings company. When you work with us, you get the peace of mind that you experience large company capabilities with small company care. We are a family dedicated to enhancing lives for the glory of God.